Good morning, children. Sai Ram. I welcome you all back. I hope you all have understood this lesson very well. And today we will continue with part 4 of the same lesson, that is lesson number 7, Our Village, Our City. Before I proceed further, I would like to have a recap what we have learned till now. So we have learned the differences between a city and a village. Now what all points we have discussed? Yes, we have discussed the differences regarding houses, then dresses, then means of transport, facilities and industries. Yes, then we have learned means of transport, then means of communication, then dialects, then we have discussed about old methods of sending messages and the interrelationship between cities and villages. That means how cities and villages are dependent on each other for their needs. Okay, children. So all these concepts we have already learnt, and I hope all these concepts are clear to you. Yes. Now we'll continue with map activity. In this we are going to learn Thane district major roads, railways and famous places. So let us start. Children, can you see the directions which are shown here with the arrows? North, south, east and west. Okay. Now look at the index. So all these things we are going to discuss today, which are shown in the index. Yes, national highways, other roads, railways, then famous places, port, then fort, district headquarters and taluka headquarters. All these things we are going to discuss in this map today. Yes. Now as you all know, index helps us to understand the map. Yes, children, can you see some particular signs and symbols are used to show all these things in the map? Yes, see, double red line is used to show national highways, then single red line is used to show other roads, then the sign of track, railway track is used to show railways, then hollow circle is used to show famous places, then anchor sign is used to show port, then a particular sign is used to show fort, then the last 2 points which we have already discussed earlier, okay, in the lesson number 4, that is directions and maps. Yes. So now let's start. See, this is the national highway which passes through Thane and goes to Ahmedabad. See this one. Double red line, can you see? This is the national highway which passes through Thane, goes to Ahmedabad. Then this one is another national highway which goes to Bangalore. See here. Okay, which goes to Bangalore and that passes through Thane. Then the next one is this one. Okay, this is the national highway which again passes through Thane and which passes through Kasara Ghat also and which goes to Nashik district. Yes, so all these national highways which pass through Thane district. Yes, all these national highways pass through Thane district. I hope this is clear, children. Now next one is other roads. Okay, other roads are shown with the single red line. See, all these single red lines which you can see in the map, that are other roads, and people use these roads to go from one place to another. If we want to go from one taluka to another taluka, we use these roads, okay, which are shown with the single red line. Now we'll see. See this one, for example, this road which passes through Bhiwandi goes to Palghar district. Then this one passes through Titwala. This road goes to Palghar district. This road goes to Junnar in Pune district. This goes to Shahapur. Okay, so all these are other roads. Okay. Then railways, we'll discuss about railway lines or railway routes. See, this one is the railway route which passes through Thane, goes to Roha in Raigad district. See here. Okay. This is the railway route which passes through Thane and goes to Roha in Raigad district. Can you see here Raigad district? So Roha is in Raigad district. Then next is this one. This railway route goes to Vashi. See here. This railway route goes to Vashi. Then the next one is, see again, this railway route goes to Ahmedabad. This track you can see, track sign. So this is the railway route which passes through Thane, goes to Ahmedabad. Another one, see this one. This railway route goes to Pune. Yes. So all these railway lines passes through this. All these railway lines pass through Thane district. Yes. The next one is this. This is the central line which goes to Kasara and which goes towards Nashik district. Okay, through Kasara Ghat. Yes. So all these are railway routes. Yes. Once again I will show you. See, this is the railway route which passes through Thane, goes to Roha in Raigad district. Then the next one is this one which goes to Vashi. Then this one, this railway route goes to Ahmedabad. This one goes to Pune. This one goes to Kasara and towards Nashik district, and this is the central line. Okay, so all these railway routes pass through Thane. Then the next is famous places. Okay, now we are going to see famous places in Thane. See, first of all I will show you. Famous places are shown with hollow circles. So all these hollow circles you can see, these are the famous places in Thane. Uttan, then Bhayandar, here Vashi, Diva, then Dombivli, Titwala, Shahar, this Ganeshpur, Vajreshwari, Akloli, then this Asangav, Khardi. Okay, so all these are Badlapur and all these are famous places in Thane. Now see, we will discuss few of them. This is Haji Malang. Okay, this is the famous place in Thane. This one is Ganeshpur. This is Vajreshwari. This Vajreshwari is famous for Vajreshwari temple. Then this one is Titwala. Titwala is famous for Ganesh temple. Yes, Titwala is famous for Ganesh temple. Then this one is Vashi. See, Vashi is famous for APMC market. That is the biggest market in Vashi, that is in Navi Mumbai, and we get all kind of agricultural products in this market. Okay, so Vashi is famous for APMC market, and that is the biggest market in Vashi. See, anchor sign is used to show port. Uttan is a famous port in Thane. Now we'll see what is port. A port is a location on a coast where ships can dock. That means ships are kept safely over there. That means you can say port is nothing but the shelter for ships. Ships are kept safely there. And can transfer people or goods from one place to another. That means people and goods are transferred from one place to another. Yes. Now we'll see fort. Yes, I hope this is clear. Now next one is fort. See, first I'll show you, I'll zoom it. Yeah, see, these are the forts in Thane district. This is Siddhagarh. This one is Siddhagarh. This is Machindragarh. This one is Gorakhgarh. Okay, see, Siddhagarh, Machindragarh, and Gorakhgad. Gad is Marathi word and in English we say fort. Okay, so all these are forts in Thane district. Yes, see once again we'll see Siddhgarh, Machindragarh and Gorakhgad. Siddhgarh, Machindragarh and Gorakhgad. These are forts in Thane. Now, district headquarter. Everyone knows Thane is the district headquarter. See. Yes. Now, next one, the last thing is Taluka headquarters. Taluka headquarters, just see, Taluka headquarters are shown with the dark circle. No? See, Bhivandi, Kalyan, Ulhasnagar, all these dark circles which you can see, these are talukas in Thane district. So Bhivandi, Kalyan, Ulhasnagar, Ambarnath, Murbad and Shahapur. No, we have already discussed this in the lesson number 4, directions and maps. See this one Kalyan, this one is Bhivandi, Shahapur, Ulhasnagar, Ambarnath, Murbad. So all these are Taluka headquarters, means talukas in Thane. Okay, now just tell me, name the historic forts in our district. Okay, can you tell me? Forts in Thane district? Yes. Machindragarh, Gorakhgad and Siddhgarh. See here. Okay, see Siddhgarh, Machindragarh and Gorakhgad. We'll see the answer. Siddhgarh, Gorakhgad and Machindragarh. All these are forts. No, these are forts in Thane. What does the symbol near Uttan represent? Can you see this symbol? Yes, this symbol represents a port. No? Yes. So the symbol represents a port. We'll see the answer. Port. Uttan is a port in Thane. Okay. I hope all these things are clear to you. That means what we have learned today, we have learned to read the map with the help of the index. Yes. So all these points we have discussed which are shown in the index. So with the help of index we can read the map easily. So I hope all these things are clear to you, children. Yes, keep watching these videos, okay, and then keep practicing. Okay, now we are going to meet in the next class. Till then, bye. Sai Ram. Now children, can you tell me the historic forts in our district? Yes, name the historic forts in our district. Come on, tell me. Siddhgarh, then Gorakhgad, then Machindragarh. Very good. See, these forts are here. Okay, Siddhgarh, Gorakhgad and Machindragarh. See, we'll see the answer. Siddhgarh, Gorakhgad and Machindragarh. I want you all to learn the spellings properly, okay? Yes. Now, just tell me, what does the symbol near Uttan represent? See this symbol. What does the symbol near Uttan represent? Can you tell me? Yes, the symbol near Uttan represent a port. Yes, no? So this symbol represent port. Okay, because Uttan is a port in Thane. Yes. Okay. Now children, what we have learned today? We have learned to read the map with the help of index. Yes, we have learned to read the map with the help of index. Yes, I hope this is clear to everyone. Okay, keep watching videos, okay, so that you can get your doubts clear. Now we'll meet in the next class. Till then, bye. Sai Ram.